Well, I'm back, and I wanted to show you guys something. Like I had mentioned a little bit earlier, I don't have the remote starter switch in. Get good voltage over here. Okay, now that the bell's off, listen to this. Oh, she doesn't want to start. What's up with that? I still get voltage, though. Hey. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, the charge went back up. She's having a hard time, but the charge went back up. It doesn't stay down like it did. And yeah. A little bit hard starting. But a lot better than she was. That's Bessie. Surprised without the starter switch. Okay. Go to the next line. Chief out.